Today I will give you some information how you can speak in English, how you can develop your speaking skill in your personal life. We are getting educated and we take education from various educational institutions, but we can't speak in English because there's a lot of problem. I think there are 4 parts to capture a language. They are reading, writing, listening and speaking. First of all, you have to capture reading, then writing, then listening, and the finishing part is speaking. If you want to speak in English, before that you have to capture the 3, or you have to express 3 parts: reading, writing and listening. Now you are listening and I am speaking English, and speaking is the last part of our language. Though the students of our educational institution, they can't speak in English because they become frightened. They are not able to learn in correct way to speaking English because they don't know the correct way how to speak in English. Dear students, I would like to request you, if you want to speak in English, you must take part in various conversation. You can take part in English conversation with your friends, with your parents, with your teachers, or you may take part in participation any conversation with me. You can take any question in English in classes with me. Well, I will give the solution. Whenever you take part in English conversation, you will be certainly learn something new. And sir, you may ask me, sir, whenever I say something, it may wrong. But I would like to request you, please start minimum 1 words or 2 words or 1 sentence, 2 sentences. First of all, it may wrong with you, but gradually you can overcome that situation. If you want to speak English, I would like to request you to take something in front of your mobile camera, in front of your mirror, in your house, or you can say whatever utter in your mouth in English. But if you don't know the English word, you can't say anything. So I would like to request you, if you memorize or if you learn the vocabulary of your English book, you will certainly say something in English in your day-to-day life. If you practice a lot, if you spend your time in studies in your textbook, I think you will learn many things from your textbook. And our educational system is not like that. How a student can speak in English? But I would like to request you, please spend your time in English and learn English. If you learn English, your better life is waiting for you. If you learn English, you will certainly ensure your financial support in future for your family. And I think grammar and speaking English is a totally different. If you learn grammar, it will help you, or if you extend the way of your speaking English. But whenever you are beginner of a speaker, or whenever you start speaking English, grammar will help you to say or arrange the sentence in your mind. But whenever you are advanced speaker, then it will need to grammar. But grammar and speaking English is mixed with one another. Since we are Bengali, Bangla is our mother tongue, but English is a foreign language, and it's a foreign language. That's why it's will not easy to learn in our life. But when we expend our time in English, we'll certainly capture or we'll certainly learn English. So I'd like to request you, if we speak in English or if you develop your personal skill in English, I would like to request you to take time or to learn English from your house or from your day-to-day life. So no more today. Bye bye.